In this video, you will see how we can use autofill in Apple numbers to save hours instantly. So let's see how we can do this thing. Suppose we have a table, this is table, and we have data 1 in column A. Okay, I'm going to type simple A. And I want this number to be repeated till the end of this table. So how we can do this thing? We can manually do one by one, but that is really time consuming. I'm going to show you the trick you can do everything all together. So what you need to do, you can click here and then you'll see a small orange or yellow circle is there. Now we just need to drag till we need to complete the repetition. And here I see it is repeating everywhere. That means this is the autofill. I don't need to type anywhere, only one time, and then I drag till the number of rows I need that value, and it will be copied everywhere. So there is another approach. The other approach is we just need to type the number or text here and then right click, copy. Now we have to select the column. The whole column will be selected, and then simple just press command and V key together, and you will see the data is repeated everywhere and the data is auto-filled. So this is one way we can do this thing. Even if we need other type of sequence, like for example this column A, we have number 1, 2 here. Now I need to do 3, 4, 5 in this way. So what we need to do, we just need to select both the cells like this way, and again you will find a small orange circle is there. We just need to drag till the end of this table where we want to add those data, and here I see that it is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way. So this way we can use autofill to complete the entire table rows. If we want to do the same thing on the column wise, we can also do. Suppose I want to repeat this number like 1 all of this column. So at the time we have to select it, and then we have to move our cursor, and here also next to the column area we'll see one small orange circle is there. We just need to drag till the end where we want to repeat the value like this. Same way we can also add other values like this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this type of sequence. Let me do one thing. Let me increase the total number of columns by clicking a couple of times here. Now let's do one thing. So I'm going to remove this thing. I'm going to type 1, 2 on sequence, but this time I'm going to type this different sequence, 1, 5 for example. Now what we need to do, we need to select it, and again we need to drag till end, and here you will see it is repeating 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, 24 like this way. The same way you can also repeat inside the header also. For example, here I want to type B, C this way. So we have to select it, and then we need to drag till the end, and here you will see it is repeating A, B, C, D sequentially, right? So this is the autofill feature. And that's it. In this way we can easily use autofill in Apple numbers to save hours instantly.